Seeing beard in a dream. Beard for a man, a beard in a dream signifies wealth, honor, and dignity. If it is moderately long or well trimmed in the dream, it means earning respect, rising in rank, prosperity, beauty and sovereignty. If only the sides of one's beard are long and not the middle section in the dream, it means that one will work to save money for someone else. If one's beard is too long and lacks proper trimming in a dream, it means indebtedness, distress and suffering from depression. If it becomes long to the extent of reaching the floor in the dream, it means death. If one's beard grows long and thick in a dream, it means longevity or increase in one's wealth. If it reaches his belly in the dream, it means that he does not obey God's commands. If it grows longer than one's grip in the dream, it means that one lives from the interest he earns from usury. If the hair of one's beard is black in the dream, it means prosperity and satisfaction in one's life. If its color is greenish-black in the dream, it means extended wealth, power, and rulership, unless if one is a tyrant, for the color of Pharaoh's beard was greenish-black. If the color of one's beard yields to yellow in the dream, it means poverty and illness. If its color is blondish in the dream, it means a scare. If one grabs his own beard in the dream, and if its hair falls into his hand, and if he keeps holding to the hair, it means incurring financial losses then recovering them, unless one discards the hair in the dream. Pulling someone's from his beard in the dream means inheriting him. If one sees a young boy who has not reached the age of puberty having beard in a dream, it means the child's death. If the child's beard is just starting to grow in the dream, it means that he will grow to lead and command people. If one's beard is shallow, and if it makes him look fatuous in a dream, it means payment of one's debts or easing of his trouble or dispelling of his distress. If one's beard looks childish or completely immature in the dream, it means losing people's respect. If the color of one's beard is gold in the dream, it means that he will lose some respect and perhaps half of his wealth. Seeing one half of one's beard shaved in a dream means poverty. If an unknown young person shaves one's beard in a dream, it means loss of dignity and injury caused by one's enemy or competitor, or someone who carries the same name. If an old man shaves his beard in a dream, it means that he will lose his good reputation at the hand of a profiteer and an overpowering enemy. If one's beard is cut off in a dream, it means financial losses valued at how far it is trimmed. Clipping what is longer than man's grip of one's beard in a dream means paying the due alms tax. Cutting off someone's beard in a dream means swindling his inheritance. A white beard in a dream means honor, dignity and good fame. If one's beard turns gray, leaving few black hairs in the dream, it means earning respect. If all its hair becomes gray in the dream, it means poverty and loss of integrity. Seeing one's wife having a beard in a dream means increase in one's wealth or growth of the son's business, or sickness of one's wife, or it could mean that she will no longer be able to conceive children, though if she had a son, it means that he will control the entire family. If a woman sees herself having a beard in a dream, it means losing her husband, and if she is a widow, it means that she will marry a hard-working man who is compatible with her. If a pregnant woman sees that in a dream, it means that she will beget a son, and if she has a quarrel with someone, it means that she will win the battle and stand for herself with dignity and courage. Plucking one's facial hair or beard in a dream means wasting money. If one's beard and head is shaved in a dream, it means recovering from an illness, satisfying one's debt or dispelling sorrow and distress. Having an extraordinarily long beard that one can spin and weave as a cloth, then sells it in his dream means that he will forge a testimony. Clipping one's beard in a dream also means losing money. One's beard in a dream also represents his job, business, clothing, gains and losses. Cutting off the hair of one's beard with one's own teeth in a dream means sufferings, distress and trouble. Swearing by the honor of one's beard in a dream may denote either one's truthfulness or lies, his stinginess or generosity. One's beard in a dream also could represent his wife. If a farmer finds the hair of his beard black in a dream, it means that he should start harvesting his crop. A white beard could denote illness or frailty. If one's beard in wakefulness is gray and he sees its color black in a dream, it means strength, determination, firmness, certainty, having great energy and exuberance. If one's beard in his dream seems longer than the usual, it means being a spendthrift, wasting money, engaging in gambling and sporting games, or suffering from depression, or being troubled by circumstances. If a subversive and a sinful person sees himself having a beard in a dream, it means that he will repent of his sins. If a misguided person sees himself having a beard in his dream, it means that he will receive guidance. If a woman grows a beard in her dream, it means that she is trying to be a man or it could mean insolence or engaging in wrongdoing. If a child sees himself having a beard in a dream, it means longevity. Loving a beard and kissing it in a dream means lacking determination or will, regardless if it is his own beard or if it is someone else's beard. If a straw or anything sticks to one's beard in a dream, it means hearing bad words. Shaving half of one's beard in a dream means losing one's source of income or loss of one's dignity. Holding the beard of one's uncle in a dream means unjustly inheriting him. If a woman sees herself having a beard like a man in a dream, it means that she will never beget children, unless if she has a reddish beard as the natural color of her hair. However, for a man, to have a reddish beard in a dream means trials and temptation, and particularly if some gray hair is also mixed with it.